In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step method to add new users to your WordPress website without any confusion whatsoever. Not only that, I'm going to show you how to get access to the best WordPress website builder available, also for the best price possible. We'll show you all of this throughout this entire video, so make sure you don't skip around on this video and watch it from the beginning to the very end without skipping any part of it. So that way you get access to the best deal possible and you don't make any mistakes in this process. But without further ado, let's show you how to add those new users to your WordPress website. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do so that way you can follow along with me properly is head down to the description of this video. Once you guys are in the description, make sure to click the link for Hostinger. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. This is Hostinger's sign up page, and this is how you're going to get access to the best deal possible when getting started with Hostinger. The first thing you want to do is look over here and see what you're going to be getting with this specific plan. You're going to get up to 75% off web hosting plus access to their fully featured website builder. You're also going to get access to a free domain plus free website migration and 24/7 customer support. All of this you'll get access to for only $2.99 a month, plus 3 free months on top of the plan that you end up choosing. Not only that, but Hostinger is also offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, basically meaning that you'll get all of your money back, no questions asked. But to actually get started with this deal, we just have to click the Claim Deal button. Once we click that button, it'll take us down here to the different pricing tiers. Now, because we're actually planning on having more than one user have access to our WordPress website, and of course also be able to work on it, we're going to want to choose our tier carefully. For the premium tier, which is their most basic and their cheapest option, you're not really going to have a lot of optionality when it comes to having other users on your website being able to work on it. Because we want people to actually have access to our website, we're going to want to go with their most popular plan, which is their business plan. As you can see, the business plan is about $3.99 a month, and we're saving about 71%. We're also getting those extra 3 free months on top of that. We'll get access to 100 plus websites that we can manage at any given point. We also get access to our managed WordPress account. And what this will do is basically, this is just making most out of WordPress with built-in features like one-click installer, auto updates, and even light speed acceleration and peak performance security. These are all things that are exclusively available on WordPress that you can get full access to inside of Hostinger. Once we figured out that this is the plan that we want to go with, we're going to hit the choose plan option. Once we hit the choose plan button, it'll then take us to the checkout page. As you can see, this is the checkout page, and we have a few different options we can choose from. We have a 1-month plan, a 12-month plan, the 24-month plan, or the 48-month plan. Now, to save the most amount of money possible and get access to those 3 free months, we want to probably go with the 48-month plan. Once we click this plan, we'll then scroll down and see that we have a few more options. What we want to do now is create an account. We can either do this with Google, Facebook, or create our own with an email address or a password. Once we selected all this, we'll then head down to select payment. Now for this, any of these will do, but we're going to go ahead and go with a credit card. We'll simply have to enter in our first name, our last name, our phone number, some of the information about where we live, a street address, and a zip code. Once we've done all of this, now the best way, and pay close attention to this, we're going to save even more money here by entering in a coupon code. For that coupon code, you're going to want to enter in my first website, all capitals, no spaces. Once you've entered in that coupon code, hit the apply button. After we've hit the apply button, it should directly apply that to our overall price, and now we're saving even more money. Once we have all of this filled out, we'll simply hit the submit secure payment option and we'll be inside of Hostinger. Now, once you guys are inside of Hostinger, this is what your main page should look like. At the top left, you have home, websites, emails, domains, VPS, and billing. On the right, we have refer and earn, the AI search option, marketplace, what's new, help, and the account button. Now, because we want to add a new user to a website that we have, we're going to show you guys how to actually create that website and add a user that can edit it. To actually create that website, we're going to head up to the websites tab. Once we're inside the websites tab, we're then going to go to the top right here where it says add website. Once we click that, we're either going to choose between a WordPress website or Hostinger's onboard website builder. For the sake of this video, we're going to go with a WordPress website. All we have to do now is then select a hosting plan and then hit select plan. As you can see here, it's going to ask us a few details about our login, and it's going to make us log into our WordPress account. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to go inside the admin panel for that WordPress website and how to start adding users. All we have to do is head down here where it says one of our WordPress websites and click on the admin panel option. Once we click on the admin panel, it should take a short moment to load. And just like that, we are officially inside of our WordPress website, more specifically inside of our admin panel. Now, inside of the admin panel, what we want to do next is go over to the left here and select down here where it says users. Inside of the users tab, we have a couple different options. We have all users, add new user, profile, and author SEO. We're going to click the add new user option. Once we click that option, it'll then take us to the add new user page. On the add new user page, this part is super simple. We're going to create a username for that new user. We're going to enter in their email. We're going to enter in their first name, their last name, the website, and then generate a password for them. You can also create your own password by typing it in here. Then we're going to want to send a user notification, and then after that, we can change their role. Now for the role, depending on who they are and what their purpose on the website is, this will basically tell WordPress what this user will be capable of. Are they going to be an administrator, an editor, an author, a contributor, or a subscriber? Each of these have their own benefits and disadvantages, and each one of them have more features or less features depending on what they are. Now, for the sake of this video, let's just say that you're trying to add an editor. we'll simply click the editor option and then click the add new user button. And then of course, to actually get back to the home page, just head up here to the dashboard and click dashboard. And then of course, you actually want to edit the page, go to all pages, and you can start editing in the all pages section. And that's pretty much it. It's that easy to add a new user to your WordPress website and have them start helping on building that website in the first place. Hopefully this helped you guys add a new user to your WordPress website. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any questions or if you're having any trouble with this. Also, let me know down below what you guys are going to end up doing by adding a new user to your website. I always love to know what you guys are up to, what you're planning on doing with your website. Also, if you guys want to get started with Hostinger and get the best deal possible with the WordPress website, make sure you use the link down in the description. That's how you're going to get access to the best possible discounts and deals available. Also, make sure to use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout for even more of a discount. Other than that though, that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video that we post. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in a future video.